Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English brand. I am Emma, your teacher friend.
And I am Alex. I am a student just like you. I love English, but I still make mistakes.
That is okay, Alex. Mistakes are part of learning. Today, we have a very famous person in our story. He makes rockets, he makes electric cars, and he wants to go to Mars.
Yes, we are talking about Elon Musk. I read a lot about him today. He is a very interesting man.
Listeners, today is a special video. It is an error hunter challenge. Alex will tell us what he learned about Elon Musk. But be careful, there are 5 grammar mistakes in his story.
Oh, only 5? I would try to be perfect.
Let's see. Every time Alex makes a mistake, I will stop the story. I will ask you, is this correct? Then we will learn the rule.
And we will also practice speaking. Emma will say a phrase and I will repeat it. You must repeat it with me. This is shadowing.
Exactly. It helps your pronunciation. Are you ready to start the challenge? Let's go. Act 1. Elon's secret for success.
Okay. Elon Musk is very successful. Many people ask him, how do you work so much? Elon says that he has a special time-blocking method.
Yes, I know this method. It is very popular in Silicon Valley.
He divides his day into 5-minute slots. Every minute is important. He works more than 100 hours every week.
Wait, stop. Listeners, did you hear that? Alex said he works more than 100 hours every week.
What? Is that wrong?
Listeners, what do you think? Is he work correct? No, it is not. Alex, remember our rule for the present simple. When we use he, she, or it, we must add a special letter to the verb.
Oh, the letter S.
Yes, so the correct sentence is, he works more than 100 hours every week.
He works more than 100 hours every week.
Perfect. Now, let's practice this important phrase. This is our shadowing practice. Listeners, listen to me and repeat with Alex. He works very hard.
He works very hard.
One more time. He works very hard.
He works very hard.
Good. Now, the long version. He works more than 100 hours.
He works more than 100 hours.
Excellent! If you found this mistake, you are a great error hunter. Alex, continue the story. What else does Elon Musk say about work? That was a great start, Alex. Your pronunciation is getting better.
Thank you, Emma. I am trying. Elon Musk also says that we must learn first principles thinking.
Oh, that sounds professional. Can you explain that in simple English for our listeners?
Yes, it means you don't look at how other people do things. You look at the facts. You look at the truth. Elon says, think like a scientist.
That is a very good word to know. Scientist. Let's practice that word quickly. Alex, repeat after me. Scientist.
Scientist.
Good. Now, Alex, what about his meetings? I heard he has very strict rules for them.
Oh, yes. Elon hates big meetings. He thinks they are a waste of time. He tells his workers, if you are not useful in a meeting, you can leave. He don't like big meetings at all.
Wait, stop. Did you hear that, error hunters?
What? Did I say something wrong again?
Listeners, Alex said he don't like meetings. Is that correct? What do you think? No, it's not. Alex, we are talking about he, Elon Musk. In a negative sentence, do we use don't or doesn't?
He, she, it. Oh, it is doesn't.
Exactly. He doesn't like. The S moved to the helper do and made it does.
I see. He doesn't like big meetings.
Perfect. If you knew the answer, you are a super learner. Now, let's practice this structure. It is very important for level A1-A2. Shadowing practice time. Listen and repeat the full sentence with Alex. He doesn't like meetings.
He doesn't like meetings.
Again, he doesn't like meetings.
He doesn't like meetings.
Now, let's try he doesn't waste time.
He doesn't waste time.
One more time. He doesn't waste time.
He doesn't waste time.
Excellent job. Remember, I don't, but he doesn't.
I will remember that. Elon doesn't like meetings, and I don't like grammar mistakes.
You are doing so well today, Alex. You are a very good student. Now, let's talk about something even bigger. Let's talk about the stars. What is SpaceX?
Oh, SpaceX is amazing. It is Elon's rocket company. It is very famous now. They make rockets that go to space and then come back to Earth. They land on the ground. It looks like a movie, but it is real.
It really does look like science fiction. Why does he build these rockets? Is it just for fun?
No, it is not for fun. Elon says that we must become a multi-planetary species. That means humans living on other planets like Mars. Exciting! He wants to build a city on Mars. He is an engineer and he has a very big dream.
Hold on, Alex. Stop right there. Error hunters, did you catch that? Alex is talking about Elon's job.
What did I say? Was it the word Mars?
No, the word Mars is perfect, but listeners, Alex said he is an engineer. Is that correct? Look at the word engineer. No, it is not. Alex, look at the first letter of engineer. It is the letter E. It is a vowel sound.
Oh, I remember now. Before a vowel sound like A, E, I, O, or U, we don't use we use an.
Exactly. So what is the correct sentence?
He is an engineer.
Perfect. If you found this mistake, you are doing a great job. You are an English pro. Now, let's practice this. It is time for shadowing practice. Listeners, please repeat with Alex. Speak clearly and slowly. He is an engineer.
He is an engineer.
Again, he is an engineer.
He is an engineer.
Now let's try, it is an orange rocket.
It is an orange rocket.
It is an amazing dream.
It is an amazing dream.
One more. He is an interesting man.
He is an interesting man.
Excellent work. Remember, a car, but an engineer. Alex, you are doing great. Tell us more about Mars. Is it cold there?
Yes, it is very cold, but Elon says we can fix that. He is very optimistic. He works every day to make his dream real.
We talked about his work and his rockets, but Alex, many people are interested in another thing. Elon Musk is one of the richest people in the world.
Oh yes, he has a lot of money. He wants to use his money to build a city on Mars. He doesn't buy expensive jewelry or big boats.
That is true. He is very different from other billionaires. He even sold his houses, right?
Yes, he lives in a very small house now. It is near the SpaceX factory. I want to know more about his bank account. Emma, how much money he has now?
Oh, stop. Error hunters, did you hear that question?
What? Was it a bad question? I am just curious.
No, the question is fine, but the grammar is not. Listeners, Alex asked how much money he has now. Is that the correct way to ask a question? No, Alex, in English, questions with he, we need the helper does.
Oh, how much money does he have now?
Perfect. And remember, when we use does, the verb changes from has to have. Let's practice this. Shadowing practice. Repeat with Alex. How much money does he have?
How much money does he have?
Where does he live?
Where does he live?
What does he do?
What does he do?
Excellent. Now, Alex, Elon is also very famous on social media. He bought X, the platform we used to call Twitter.
Yes, he writes there every day. He likes to share his ideas and jokes. Sometimes he is very funny, and sometimes he is very serious. Many people read his posts every minute.
Oh, wait. Error hunters, this is the last mistake. Alex said, many peoples read his posts. Alex, is that wrong? There are many of them. Listeners, what do you think? No, Alex. The word people is already plural. We don't need an S. One person, two people.
Ah, so it is just many people read his posts.
Exactly. Many people. Let's practice this final rule. Shadowing practice. Many people like his cars.
Many people like his cars.
A lot of people watch the rockets.
A lot of people watch the rockets.
Some people want to go to Mars.
Some people want to go to Mars.
You did it, Alex. You finished the story about Elon Musk.
And I learned a lot of English today.
Now it is time for your rank. How many mistakes did you find today? If you found 1 or 2, you are a beginner. Keep watching our stories. If you found 3 or 4, you are an English learner. Very good. If you found all 5 mistakes, you are an English pro. Cheers!
You are amazing English pros. Elon Musk would be proud of you.
Thank you for practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more stories.
See you in the next video. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone!